Yo, what's up guys? It's Timmy here, and I'm going to be giving you a full tutorial on Tradecopia. This is the copy trader I've personally used for months on end, and I think this is definitely a necessary tool if you're looking to scale your futures prop firm trading. Getting started, we're given three plans. We have the Pro Plus Lite, and then the Pro Plus. My favorite two is just the normal Pro and Pro Plus Lite. What is the difference? The Pro is just a local desktop app. So if you guys trade at home on just one computer and you're normally on one setup at a time, this is my personal recommendation. This is what I use. I don't really leave or go to work or trade on my phone, anything like that. But if you guys need a browser-based option, say you're going to work or you're moving environments and you just need to be able to open it on the web, this is the option for you. You'll get your own browser and you could copy trade from anywhere. But for me, I trade on the same PC every single day. I'm not really going anywhere, so I just go with the Pro option. And to make sure you guys are getting the best discount available, when you're checking out, use code Timmy and you'll save 30% off your first month. You go from $79 down to $55. Also, looking at the desktop app, you can see we go from $50 all the way to $35. So make sure you guys are taking advantage of that deal. All right, getting into the actual app now, this is what it looks like when you're downloaded and installed. To start copy trading, you want to head over to the left-hand side and go to the connections tab. Once you guys are here, you could go ahead and click add connection. You could read through this super quick. Click add connection again, and then you could connect your prop firm's broker. All of these are pretty straightforward besides Project X, so I'm going to show you guys super quickly how to link Project X to this copy trader if you guys have those accounts. Go to your browser of choice and search up Project X dashboard. Click on the first link and you'll be brought here. You want to click go to dashboard in the top right, then on the left hand side click subscriptions, and you'll see Project X API access, $29 a month. Click on that. From here you'll see you have a coupon code option. If you want to save $15 every month, apply code TOPSTEP and it'll save you that 15%. Once you get the API key, click Project X, enter your platform's username, and then you put the API key that you just bought. Once properly connected, you could see here under the status, it says connected. You could see the prop firm, everything like that, and you could click and see your active accounts. Now let's add another connection. My choice is Lucid, so I'll be connecting through Tradovate. You're given the option to connect to a live or a demo account. You want to go on a demo account even if you're on a funded account. So if you're on evaluation or funded, go ahead and click demo. You'll be brought to a browser here to log into your account. Now that we have multiple prop firms connected, how can we actually copy trade? You want to go to the left hand side and click the copy trade tab, and then you want to click add trading group. From here you can pick your group name. I'm just going to make it use code Timmy, and you could choose a color. I like to just go with light blue, and then you click next. Now you want to pick your leader account. This is super important. Basically how this works is you execute on the leader account and the rest will follow. So make sure you're choosing the right account. I'm going to choose a TopStep account as the leader, and then you want to go ahead and click next. Now you have to go ahead and pick the followers. Any ones you choose, it's pretty self-explanatory. They'll follow your leader account. You want to go ahead and check through all of these accounts that you want added. Click add selected here. You could go ahead and click done. Now the final tab, the settings tab. I personally keep everything on default. I have prevent hedging on, this position thing on, this off, and then these two on. You could go ahead and click I have read the configuration above, and then you could click create group. From here, to know if your group is ready, you want to make sure this says active. If you want to make sure it's not ready, you click disable so that this is all closed out and your accounts aren't in trades. But basically, if you're entering any trades, make sure this is enabled so all the accounts are up and ready. And I keep the quantity multiplier on 1. One good thing with Tradecopia is if you guys have like an extra 150k account where you're trading different account sizes, you could change the quantity multiplier. So say my leader account is a 50k and I have a 150k account in the stack, I could change the quantity multiplier to 3. So if I enter 5 micros on a 50k, the 150k will enter 15. So you don't have to worry about the sizing issues on different account types. Now one last thing before we start entering our trades, we could go on the risk management tab here. In the top right, you could go ahead and click this edit button. From here, you could edit the risk management for each individual account. So say you want to go ahead and add a daily loss limit for each account, you could go ahead and do that to keep those risk parameters in check. And obviously if you don't want them, you could turn that off. And one big thing for me is this daily profit limit. So what does this actually do? Say we have one account that's $500 from being passed and the rest are around $1,500. Basically what that will do is we set our daily profit limit to 500 from being passed, and once it hits that, it'll automatically close this account out, and then the remaining we can leave running. So we don't have to worry about exiting our position just for one account to get passed while the rest can make way more money. So you could set that custom daily limit to whatever you need. You could set your daily loss limits to keep you safe. Also, you could change your week profit limit, week loss, all that stuff. I don't really do this. Also, there's a trade limit here. You can make it so you lock yourself out once you hit a certain amount of trades. So say you want to take 3 trades a day, you can set that. You could click save and it'll lock you out once you hit that 3 trades. So this is an amazing feature Tradecopia has to keep you accountable and to keep you locked in on your trading. Now that we have that all set up, we're ready to go. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what it looks like to enter a trade. You could go ahead and open your leader account of choice. I'm using Top Step. I'll be entering with 1 micro just to show you. Enter the trade and you can see here the copy trader is active and live. So you can see the Unreal P&L moving up and down as this trade goes on. Also a cool feature you could do, you could click more actions. You could click open floating P&L. So you have this floating P&L. If you want to put this in the corner of your monitor or just anywhere on your screen, it makes cool edits. I put it in some of my videos sometimes. You can see it actively changes as your accounts fluctuate through price. And then guess what? You could obviously close that account out. I'm taking this $8 loss and then boom, the position is flattened. Your trades are all exited. So you can see it syncs all your accounts together perfectly. And I've been using this platform for over 6 months now and I've never had a singular issue. So I highly recommend it. But yeah, guys, that'll be all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this YouTube video. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. And also feel free to join my free Discord community. I have almost 13,000 members in here. Recently, I've been live trading every single day for completely free. I do weekly account giveaways and stuff like that. So if you scroll through the giveaway proof tab, you can see I give away accounts to hundreds of different people. So if you guys want to check out the best prop firm deals and enter my giveaways, you can use code Timmy at every single prop firm. You could submit your entries on my website and then you could be in on the giveaways. So feel free to take advantage of that. I love this community and I'm just trying to give back to everyone. So yeah, feel free to join and I'll see you guys later.